Hello guys. Welcome back. I'm your professor. Today's video is about how to earn money from Instagram. Instagram is the most popular social media platform and has millions of users. Some of the users have started earning money from Instagram. What's of earning money from Instagram? Okay, you need a good followers and should get good likes on your post to implement this earning methods. You should have at least 1,000 followers and get 5 to 10% likes on your posts. Don't worry if you don't have, so watch our video for solution. You can get the video from my button above or in the description. Let's move on to video. There are 3 main ways of earning money on Instagram. First one, working as an influencer. Influencer? What is this? New word for some. Influencer is a person or group who influence their audience in buying a product of a particular brand. It may be called as taking sponsorships. How to become an influencer? It's very easy. The Instagram handles with more than 1,000 followers are Instagram influencer. These type of handles do not get calls from brands, but these people should go towards the brands and convince them for sponsorships. Instagram influencer with more than 5,000 followers. The brands reach them for sponsorships. Now, how to charge the brands? What should be the cost per post or story? A new brief video will be available in our channel. Make sure to check it out. Let's move on to next second way of earning. Affiliate marketing. You can start earning by adding some product links on your post and stories and make them sold. You get a higher commission. The commission will be 5 to 10% of product price. Some websites for affiliate are Amazon Associates, Flipkart, ClickBank, Veganism. Let's move on to next third way of earning. Promote your own business or art. Let me share you with an example. Assuming you are a good drawing artist with zero income, to start earning you may start an Instagram account and start posting your art and get followers and get orders for drawing. Thea may lead to improve your art. You can also promote your business by improving sales by posting about your products or services. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and make it to all.